He just wants to be our true blue friend. So this is really weird. Never.
Run.
That was weird.
Hey everyone, I'm Isabella, and I'm here at Pocket Watch Studios. As All Hallows Eve approaches, so do ghosts and goblins. And what's a goblin? Is it like a Furby? Because those things are not to be messed with. But what was I? Oh yeah, ghost stories and Furbies. This is the story about how they all became one for me here at Pocket Watch Studios. It all started when I came into work one morning and I was really early, which really never happens. This never happens. I'm here so early. Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Ooh, a present. No, it can't be mine. No, maybe it can be. Hello? It's so cute. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, Ka's so hungry. Ka, eat, school bus.
Okay, you're really weird. I'm just gonna put you back where you came from. I know what you're thinking. What's so bad about a little blue fuzzy demon Furby? But trust me, it gets worse. Way, way worse.
Don't worry, we're gonna find your fidget spinner.
Okay, it's just, I don't know, I just feel weird. Why just keep finding this blue dye all over me?
Do you know how to do laundry? Because you've been wearing the shirt for like 2 weeks.
Yes, I know how to do laundry. The shirt used to be pink.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, there's your fidget spinner.
Yeah, but that's just not normal.
Is he yours? He's so cute.
No, Jetta, don't touch it. That's not mine. That's really weird.
But he keeps saying your name over and over again.
No, it doesn't. Jetta, it's talking gibberish.
No, it's saying your name over and over again. Jetta? I'm just gonna take it away from you. He just wants to be our true blue friend. So this is really weird. Never.
Run.
That was weird.
I really hoped all the creepy weirdness was over. But then...
It's weird that the slime kept turning blue.
It's probably just the producers messing with us, you know.
No, I woke up this morning with blue dye on my hands again.
Me too. You threw that little guy away, right?
Yeah, you saw me.
Oh, I almost forgot. I found something of yours.
It's weird. I don't think I left anything.
No.
That we don't want that. That's not ours.
What?
Not
Why?
ours. No.
Why? It's been saying your name all day.
My name?
No, Jetta's. I didn't know you
What?
could.
How did you teach it to do that?
I didn't. I didn't know you could do that.
Well, we don't want it. It looks like you're making it mad.
You guys didn't want to be as friends. Maybe we can all be as friends.
No.
As true blue friends.
Dalton?
Alright.
Dalton?
See?
Maybe we should keep him. And we could be his true blue prisoners forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
No, Jetta. So we did what anybody would do with a demon little Furby. We cut it up into a bunch of little tiny pieces and we mailed them to countries all around the world so it could never, ever put itself back together.
Oh, Ka's so hungry. Ka, eat, school bus.
Did you guys hear that? You guys messing with me? I really thought I heard, nah.
Belly.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to hear more scary stories, let us know.
Ka, Lulu play.
No, I really hear it.
Ka, get cozy.